output function in C. Output function in C. Okay. So the output function in C is print f. Okay. So printf is the output function. For every function there exists parenthesis. To identify the function we have to use parenthesis. So printf is the output function used in C, which is used to print the output on the monitor. Okay. So syntax. Okay, first syntax is printf some text. Okay, this is the first syntax. And second one, printf here format strings and a variable list. This is the second syntax. Okay, so there exists two syntaxes for printf. First one is printf some text and second one is printf format strings and a variable list. So in first one, for example, I want to print C language. So to print anything, so we have to use the function printf, and in double quotes you have to write C language. So this is the first syntax. That means normal text we have printed. Anything if you write in between the double quotes, that will be printed on the monitor. Okay. So this is about first syntax of printf. And second one is very important. This second syntax is used to print the values present in a variable. Okay. So the second syntax, for example, I am storing a value which is of integer type int a equal to 50. So after giving this value in memory, it will take 2 bytes. So every cell had cell address. Okay, and variable name is and 50 value is stored in this variable, and this 50 is converted into binary language and stored in the memory location. Okay, so I have to print the value here. So first the 50 value is stored in the memory, and now I have to print the value. So how to print the value? To print any value we have to use the function printf. So first part double quotes. Okay, in the second syntax printf format strings and variable list. Here you have to write the variable a because 50 value is present in the variable a. So just now I have told you the text written inside double quotes will be printed on the monitor. Even in this situation also, the text written inside the double quotes will be printed. But here I have to print the variable value. So to print any value present in a variable, so I have given this variable in the format of integer. So I have given the input in the form of integer, and the output should be displayed in the form of integer only. To specify the format of the output, to specify the format of the value, we have to use format strings or format specifier. So as the name indicate, format string or format specifier used to specify the format of the value. So for example, so this is written or preceded with percentage symbol. So to represent integer value, we have to use the %d format specifier. To use float value, we have to use %f. Next %c, %lf. Okay, %d for integer, %f for float, %c for character, %lf for long, float or double, and %x for string. Okay, so now here a is the variable name. I have to print this value in the form of integer, so you have to use %d. The value present in this variable is printed in the place of %d. That means how much value will be printed? Here double quotes 50 value will be printed. like this you have to use the printf. And one more example, same example I am writing like this, int a equal to some 15. Okay, so I am writing like this, printf a equal to percentage d comma a I am writing. So simple, in double quotes what you have written, a equal to percentage d, so you will get a equal to first, and then in the place of percentage d the value of a will be substituted. So what is the value of a? 15. So 15, so you will get the output like this. Okay, one more example, I am writing like this, int x equal to some 27, printf the value of x is percentage d x. So x value is substituted here, so you will get the output as the value of x is 27. Like this you will get the output. Okay, thank you.